welcome back. Today we're making some excellent Tiago tips now. Tiago's tips. Let's get started. These are ingredients you'll need. White hair conditioner, any white hair conditioner you like. That's for a reason. You only have to use white because how do you make snow if the hair conditioner is not white? I mean, what do you think? You're just gonna get brown hair conditioner and make brown snow? That doesn't make any sense. You ever seen a winter that has brown snow? Oh, maybe if it gets brown and has mud in it, and dirt. Well, that doesn't happen very often in the winter. Do you think? Well, I think I saw that once. Put too much of a talker. Hair conditioner, a foil tray, and some baking soda. Now you want to add 2.5 cups of baking soda. Half a cup of hair conditioner. Now we mix with our hands. It's cold. Like so. We made a snowman. Time to dance. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Make sure to click the subscribe button.